Hello, I'm Carl, and this is ProCycles Pro Talk. Thank you for coming back and visiting us again. Today we're going to talk about seats. We're going to take a look at seats for aftermarket bikes. Just about all of them need a better one. Stock ones are a little bit uncomfortable for the mass majority. A lot of people think that the stock seats are too hard, when in reality they're really too soft. The foam they use is very, very soft, and when you sit on it for a while, it kind of compresses to it gets to a point where it feels rigid, and it feels like you're riding on a piece of plywood. They're just not comfortable. We have here a stock from one of the first year DR650s, and the seat pans they use are a little bit on the weaker side as well. They give a little bit of flex, they kind of compress too easy, and like I said, the foam is very soft on it, and after a while riding, they give you the impression that it's much too hard. We just don't like the stock seats. We could get ourselves something much better. We're going to take a look at some of the options we have available for the DR650 as well as all the other bikes. We're going to start with one of the better seats we have. We have all four. We have Sargent, we have Corbin, we have Seat Concepts, and we have the ProCycle seat that's made by Salomon. All these seats come with their own seat pan. They use a much better quality seat pan. They use a top-of-the-line dual density foam on the inside to support you, and a few of them even have options for what kind of material we want the seat top to be out of. And so we'll take a look at like the Sargent seat here first. They've got their own little bit thicker seat pan. It's a real quality build. They come with either the standard height or a little bit lower in case you need to shorten it up a little bit. It's a real top-end quality seat. Corbin seats are probably the firmest. They have a fiberglass seat pan. It is very firm, and people ride these for a while and they think this seat's too hard. When about an hour down the road, these become an incredibly comfortable seat. Many of them are tank specific, so if you have an aftermarket tank versus a stock tank, make sure you get the right one for the tank and the model bike you have. We have the one from Seat Concepts. Seat Concepts is a real popular one, and they come with a variety of different types of tops. They have what's known as a gripper top, a semi-grip top. This is like their standard carbon fiber weave, has a look of carbon fiber. Again, they use a much better quality seat pan on theirs, much better high density foam, and real quality seat covers as well. The ProCycle seat, the one we worked with Salomon to make, we kind of took a little bit of the mix of everybody else's that we like. We added a couple extra features. We took off a couple extra features. Again, we got our own quality seat pan. We've got a real good dual density foam, and these also could come in high or lower standard height. And we have those available with seat heaters also if you need that. So again, we got real top quality ones, and again, with the type of seat covers you could get, like the gripper top, if you do a lot of off-road riding, you're up on the pegs a lot, the gripper top's on the side or up here, gonna hold your riding pants in place so you don't slide around so much, gives you a little better control in those gnarly off-road conditions. And hey, as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and newsletter, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, remember, your adventure begins here.